Scorpio Trade is a neural network-based bot that earned more than $10,000 in the last week, and I'm sharing it with you for free. The process of getting a robot will take only a few minutes. Go to the bot from the video description and launch it. Scorpio will send you a link to register for the Pocket Option. Click on it and create a new account. After verification, use a promo code to top up your balance, which will give you a 100% bonus on your first deposit. This was the last step towards getting the best trading assistant for Pocket Option. Now, we can start. Let's start the trading session with a very beginning. We won't operate with lots of money. Let's start with 10,000. The process of getting a signal is very simple. All you need is to choose the asset, expiration time, and open a deal according to the signal you got.
I'll post an update in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell.